wish ko lang para sa future mo, luck, saka habang happy life.
Thank you very much, Nina Honey. And of course, okay, ang wishes ni Mami, personal niya lang ibibigay. Okay, when she's at home, together with Janelle. Okay, so we have your Jollibee as our special guest na magbibigay din, syempre, ng kanyang birthday wishes para kay Janelle. Oh yeah, of course, Jollibee. How many wishes do you have, Jollibee, for Janelle? Jollibee got 1, 2, 3, 4 birthday wishes for you, Janelle. Ang first wish ni Jollibee is that si Janelle daw, when she grew up, Jollibee wants si Janelle to be, what's that? Magiging matasarin, and of course, God-fearing girl. Alright, so palakpakan natin ang first wish ni Jollibee for Janelle. And for the second wish ni Jollibee is that si Janelle, and when she grew up, Jollibee wants si Janelle to be, what? What's that? What's smart? What? Lumaking matigas daw ang ulo. So, obey, lagi daw yung obey. Okay, tulad ni Kuya Tonchi. Okay, lagi daw susundin si Mami and si Daddy. And of course, third wish ni Jollibee for you, Janelle, is that when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to be, what's that? To be happy? No, it's not to be happy, but to be lumaking maganda. Very good. Okay, pretty and sexy. Tulad ni Manny. Ayan, palakpakan natin si Jollibee for the third wish. And for the fourth and final wish ni Jollibee for you, Janelle, is that when you grow up, Jollibee wants you to be, what's that? Nanakit ka pa. Okay, Jollibee wants you to be, what's that? Model. Model ka. Okay, Jollibee wants si Janelle to be always be happy. Lumaking masayahin bata daw si Janelle. Palakpakan po natin si Jollibee for that great and wonderful wishes. Alright, Jollibee, pipili tayo ng ilang sa mga kids na lagi open po natin. Okay, Jollibee, Mami, dito po tayo. Okay, Jollibee, pili ka ng gift. Okay, tingnan natin, pili tayo ng mga gift. Nilalulong sa Nina. Okay, and for the first gift, we have, Saran. Happy first birthday, Janelle, from Ninong Edwin. Ano kaya ang regalo ni Ninong Edwin para kay Janelle? Wow, tumog pala. Ayan, sa loob ng box, kasama yung box na yan sa regalo. Mahal din yan. Okay, sirahin daw yung rapo para daw maulit. Malay yung bukas, makalawa, ulit-ulit. Wow! That's adore. Paglilubog sa tubig, mabubuhay. Dalawa. Okay, we have 2 dogs. Okay, 1 for Janelle and 1 for Jollibee. Joke lang. Okay, thank you very much, Ninong Edwin. Ayan for the dog. Okay, next we have, next gift, Jollibee. May you open natin. Next gift, we have, Janelle, happy first birthday, love, Kuya DJ, Ate Aisel, and Ate Ashley. Thank you very much, guys, for the gift. Tignan natin kung ano po ang gift nila. Isang set ng plato. And we have, magic, wala daw sabi mga bata, hindi mo kami manuloko dyan. Okay, and we have, thank you very much mga guys natin na nagbigay ng gift. We have, wow! At sa loob ng plastic na yan. Yes, I think that's a dress. Wow, beautiful dress. Bagay na bagay para kay Janelle. Okay, let's give Jollibee. Okay, for the rest of the gift, we'll drop it off. Okay, pagdating mo na sa house. Okay, we have the pink na pink. Ayan, wala nakasulat. Anyway, thank you very much po sa nagbigay ng gift na to. At ang gift na yan ay... Okay, we have pa po ba ito? Ay, message naman po pala siya. Alright, thank you very much guys sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng gift. Sa mga hindi pa po nagbibigay ng gift, extended po ang pagbibigay ng gift 1 week from now. Alright everybody, okay, you can now have your birthday balloons, Kuya Tonji. Ibigay na natin sa mga kids natin. Birthday party balloons and have a picture taking mga linaw and Nina. Punta po tayo dito sa harap. Ayan. Mami. Pete.
Mga nilagyan siya.
Okay, mga linaw and Nina, Ninong Edwin, mga linaw sila, Eugene. Dito na po tayo, pa-picture po tayo mga ma'am and sir, kasama po si Janelle and Sammy. Okay, para po sa ating joint picture taking. Okay, pila-pila ni si Nina, ngayon po.